Hey, what's going on, guys? MadEntity here, and in today's video, I'm making another Call of Duty World War II search, but this is my first time doing search and destroy though, but another Call of Duty World War II video. But in this video, I'm going to be playing some search and destroy. Snipers, trying to hit some clips, trying to hit some shots, maybe, you know, not gonna happen, but Also, you guys, I did just make this new clan. Me, actually, and my friend actually made this new clan, Obtainable Death. His name is now HeX Obtainable Death. My name's still MadEntity. I'm not going to change that, but I did make a new YouTube channel called HeX Entity. I'm going to be uploading a video today, probably, maybe, or tomorrow. After I'm done recording this video, I'll record a video for that channel, so go check out HeX Entity. It's just a clan. If you guys are interested in joining HeX Entity, a team talk is going to be up very soon. So, just... Is there a mod in here? Okay, so, jeez. So yeah, just, comment on this video, and I'll be sure to reply. I always reply to most of the people that comment on my video. So just comment down below. He texted me last video, come on. But yeah, just comment down below, make sure to reply, and I'll make sure to try you out, whatever we gotta do. Okay, it's not the best clan in the world, but it's a clan. We basically do quick scoping, trick shotting, stuff like that. Mainly just snipers, like you can hard scope, quick scope. It's not just like a quick scoping clan, like, no, it's just a sniping clan. Oh god! As you can see, I'm not the best. Wait, why am I sniping right now? I'm gonna actually use the type 100 until last, and I'm gonna try to trick shot. So that's what I'm gonna do. Me and my friend are the leader of HeX. Just, text me or HeX Obtainable Death. Text one of them. Comment, text, DM, Twitter. Ah, crap. Oh, camper. Ah! There's only one alive. Okay, we gotta go. Let's go. Baby! Let's go! I love getting last kills because, like, everyone can just see it. Oh, that was a triple kill. I mean, double kill, too. Pretty nice. Alright, now I'm going to use the sniper. I'm just going to go on and off. Sniper, not sniper, sniper, not sniper. I got a trick shot now. I'm going to try trick shotting now. 14. Alright, guys, I'm going to hit some clips. Some freaking awesome clips. Pretty good clips. Ready? God. That was so bad. Ah! And that's why you don't hard scope, kids. Obtainable Death. I'm recording a video right now. All right, man. Oh my god! Wow! I forgot to jump and everything. Follow me! Nah, I'm good. Oh gosh. Oh, my sensitivity's still up all the way. What's up? Oh crap. He's right below me. Crap, he ran into here, didn't he? Knew it, but there was another camper. I gotta turn my freaking sensitivity down. Alright, let's go, team. Why are you so much taller than me, dude? What? Oh, I was down. Okay. Okay, my sensitivity. Alright, I'm gonna turn it down to a 9, where mine is about. There we go. Alright. Uh-oh. Guys. What the heck is that? Okay. It wasn't letting me stand up for a second. Wait. Did I do something in the settings? That was so weird. That was so weird. Oh, well, I just got that pretty good, clean quick scope. But that was so weird. Ah! Dang it. It's always this guy last. Oh, wait, no, he's not last right now. But this guy, like, is a king at freaking... king at Search and Destroy. It's pretty crazy. Boom. Alright. Alright, here we go again. Alright, team. Let's go. I just yawned. It's pretty good yawn. Pretty refreshful. What the heck happened to your face? So sorry. Just kidding, I'm not your freaking piece of paper. He's not gonna make it! You'll make it, bud. You'll make it. Crap, dude, I'm so scared. Where's everyone at? No. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Ah. Come on, I'm getting pretty good gameplay here. Oh, he's not using that one anymore. So, this is the last match. We gotta win. Otherwise, they're gonna freaking win. If we don't. Which is A-okay. It's A-okay. Woo! I do not want to die again. A freaking long range. Get out of here. Now I'm gonna camp next to the bomb. Watching both ways, because I'm not freaking dying again. That's right, I'm being cheap. No, I can't handle it though, I'm getting up. How to move around. Alright. Someone was in that window, about to freak out. Oh gosh, 3 people left. Pressure is on. Freaking pressure is on. Come on. Gotta kill 3 more people. No! I would've had that guy. Come on. My heart's kind of beating right now. My heart's kind of beating right now pretty fast. That was pretty fun actually, even though I sucked. When I pulled out the machine gun though, I did pretty good. Pretty good. Alright, well, alright, I'm just gonna end this video. It's been HeX, and I'll see you guys in the next one. In the next video. Alright. See you guys in the next one. Peace!